All right, so number 3, if we look at it, this does not say y equals or y symbol and then a number. This is in standard form, right? So we have to change it into y equals form. How do we do that? We move our x. Those cancel, bring everything down. So negative 2y greater than negative 5x plus 12, and then divide by y. So we're dividing by negative 2. So those cancel. We get y, 5 over 2x, and 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. Now, I didn't write the symbol in yet because if you look, we're dividing by negative. So what has to happen to the symbol? It's going to flip the other way. But once it looks like it's in slope-intercept, we can graph it. My intercept's at negative 6. My slope is at 5 halves, so it's going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, up 5 over 1, 2, up 5 over 1, 2, and if I go down 5, I ran out of room. So this is a less than symbol, so we're going to do a dashed line. So start here, put in my arrow so I know it kept going. And I'm just going to put a dashed line all the way down. If you want to, you can use a ruler for a dashed line. I just know that with my dashed line, it's not going to be exact. Now, I look and I see 0, 0 is not a point on that dashed line, so I can use it. So when I plug it in, I get 0 right here, less than 5 halves times 0 minus 6. 5 halves times 0 is 0. 0 less than 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So is 0 less than negative 6? No. So we're not going to bubble in the side with 0, 0. We're going to bubble in this other side. These are our solutions over here. All right. Let's try another one that's not in y equals. So this one, once again, it's in standard form. Move our x, bring everything down, oops, I should have used this symbol, and this is a positive 8, so that's a plus. Sorry about that. Divide by y. Negative 1 divided by negative 4 is positive 1/4. 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Now, we're dividing by a negative, so the symbol flips, and it's going to be y is greater than 1/4 x minus 2. Let's go and graph it. Negative 2, boom. 1/4, up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. Ran out of room, go backwards, down 1, 4 backwards, down 1, 4 backwards, and down 1 out of room. This one is also a dashed line because it's got that greater than symbol. It doesn't have the equal to. So continue with an arrow, continue with an arrow. Now, once again, 0, 0 is not part of it, so I can actually use that when I plug in. Plug in 0 here, greater than 0 minus 2, which is 0 is greater than negative 2. Is that a true statement? Yes, yes it is. 0 is greater than negative 2. Negative 2 is over here, that's where 0 is. So we're going to bubble in this top half of the line. Alright? I'm going to do number 6, just to show you one that's going to be a little bit different. So, once again, standard form, move my x. So I get 2y is less than negative 3x, divide by y, so divide by 2. Y is less than negative 3 over 2x. Well, this one, this is a direct variation. It's going to go through 0, 0, right? Because there's no intercept, there's no plus or minus. So our first dot will start at 0, 0. Now, we're going to go down 3 over 1, 2, down 3 over 1, 2, down 3 over 2, go backwards, up 3, 2 backwards, up 3, 2 backwards, up 3, 2 backwards, and this is a less than symbol, so we got that dashed line. Continue with the arrows because that line keeps going. Keep with the arrow, that line keeps going. Now, since this goes through 0, 0, and 0 cannot be included because it's less than, it doesn't say less than or equal to, we have to use a different point. I'm going to pick a nice, easy point. How about we use this one, 1, 1. So if I plug in 1 less than or equal to negative 3x, sorry, 3 halves x times 1, well, that's just negative 3 halves. So 1 less than negative 3 halves. And is 1 less than a negative number? Of course not. So it's not going to be on this 1, 1 side. It's going to be on this other side that we'll shade in. All right. I'm going to stop the video here. We'll do the last set on the next one.